Hello, this is going to be a short video to show you the benefits of Oak National Academy and how to use this fantastic free online learning platform to help facilitate your learning from home. So to start with, you just want to go to a search engine. By default, mine is Google, and I'm sure it'll be the same for most of you, particularly using Chrome. And I'm just going to type in National Oak Academy, and then I'm going to click on the top option. Now, at the minute, it's the first advertised choice, but the second one is also Oak National Academy. If they happen to stop pushing for the advertised choice, it'll be this one here you want. So it's www.thenational.academy. So click on that, and you'll be taken to their homepage. So from here, you want to go to Classroom, and then you want to go to Find Lessons. Here you can search by any subject that you've got, any specialist. I'm going to go by subject here, and then I'm going to click on Year 7, as this is primarily who this video is going to be aimed at for me personally. But if you happen to be watching this video out of interest, you've obviously got a multitude of options here, be it as a parent, teacher, or student. So I'm going to go Year 7, and there we've got all of our different subjects. So I'm going to click on English, and there we've got various different lessons, all completely free at the time this video has been made, and very, very well made as well. So if we click on the first one, and this is the one that my audience are making this video for, that's what I would like you guys to do. But if you're watching this video, if you happen to stumble upon it, obviously go whichever lesson you feel. Now, I do believe they follow a pattern and that the skills will build on from video to video, so you are best off starting from the first lesson and working your way forwards from there. So we're going to click on Introduction to Greek Myths. Read the little blurb and introduction. It's going to outline the lesson and what you need to do. Then you just want to click on Start Lesson. Although I'm rushing through this, it is really important that you do make sure you read through every page that you click on so you understand what you're being asked to do, what the lesson is for, and what skills you're going to be working on. We're going to click on Start Lesson. Now you get a nice introductory quiz, so you'll press Start Quiz here. Just going to press that, get rid of that. You type in your answers, and then you'll press Submit. Now I'm going to quickly, I'm not going to view score because that's going to show you the answers, but obviously that's going to be a really quick, instant way for you to get some feedback on your knowledge that you know so far. Go back again. Going to go on to next activity to skip that. You're then going to need to read this instruction here, and that will outline what you need to do, what you'll need for the lesson. So here it says you need pen and paper to make notes and complete any activities. Listen very carefully to the instructions given you on the video, and then complete the activity. Once you complete the activity, you'll press close video, and then you'll go to the bottom right here, and you'll click next activity. So imagine that I've done this, and you've done this. We'll go on next activity. You then have a nice exit quiz to sort of test you on what you've learned in this lesson. So make sure you complete that and then submit your answers and get some instant feedback on how you've done. And then I'm going to click finish. So you can then, if you'd like to, push ahead and do further lessons. Now, for my students in my school, we are possibly going to be using this for the next few weeks to do a few of these lessons. But if you are a student who stumbled across this, you can obviously do these at your leisure, work through them, and help support your learning from home. If you're a teacher, I'd just recommend that you would follow your regular lesson structure and set these as and when applicable. So you just click on subject, and then you can go to lesson 2, so on and so forth. That's basically, in a nutshell, it's a really simple to use platform. It's absolutely fantastic that they've given this to staff, students, the country, parents for free. Definitely take advantage of this. I hope you found this video useful. Please like if you did, and if not, just let me know why. Thank you for watching.